Morning guys. In this video we're going to check out the Suikerbosrand Nature Reserve. It's in Heidelberg, east of Johannesburg. It's about just over an hour from Pretoria. So they have a 10-kilometer and 17-kilometer trails. We're gonna check out the 10-kilometer one. They also have some game drives that you can do there. So yeah, let's go check it out. We've made it. This is the entrance, yeah? This is where you're going. This is where the hiking trail begins. We've got the 4.5 kilometer. There's a 10 and also 17 kilometers. So it's a bit hot today. We're gonna do just the 4.5. Then after that we do a game drive. And then, yeah, we'll see what else we'll do. We're here for the whole day, so let's get into it. So there's a bit of a bench there for you to take a rest, catch a break, and enjoy this view in the back here. So it's very interesting how important this thing of burning grass is. Because you can see this green part, they've burned the grass, now the new life has formed. But if you look there in the back, it's still a bit brown because they haven't yet burned anything as yet. So yeah, very cool to see. Anyway, let's soldier on. Check out this beautiful tree. I'm not sure what it's called, but it looks amazing. Alright guys, so we are done with hiking. 4.5 Ks wasn't that bad. Next time we'll actually do a 10 kilometer. The only issue today is that it's very hot, and we started hiking late, so next time definitely we'll do a 10 kilometer. But now we're about to do the game drive. This is where it starts. Apparently it's 66 kilometers, so should be interesting. Let's get into it. Alright, so we are halfway through the game drive. Amazing views. It's like literally every corner you take, every curve. Unfortunately, I can't really shoot every moment, but hopefully this will give you an example of the kind of what it looks like out here. Check out these power lines. Beautiful, beautiful. Nice weather today, not too hot. I think it's about 30 degrees, 31. Good day for hiking, good day for a game drive. Yeah, so far, enjoy a lot. Alright guys, so I've just found it looks like an off-road 4x4 trail, but unfortunately that's a 4x2, so we'll need to come back here. But it looks like a very nice 4x4 trail. We'll come check it out next time.